Hello friends. So this is the app, Ionic Abstract app to crop the image. First we will select the image or capture the image by clicking on add image button. Then we select the image and after selecting or capturing we able to crop the image. So and after cropping we will plot the image in this app. So let's check. So as you can see, there is cropping option after selecting the image, and you can select any part and you can crop as well. Let's select this part, and this is the base 64 of the returning image, cropped image, and you can see that part is plotted here. So you can crop the image before selecting or capturing, after selecting or capturing the image, and this is the way. And now we can check the
code, and in this code we use three plugins. First is crop, second is capacitor camera plugin, and third one is base64. This is for crop. You can install by this command, and this is Ionic Native base64. You can install by this command, and third one is sorry this one capacitor camera plugin. So let's check in the code. We have import these three plugins here, and this is the pick method to get the image or capture the image. So from the button I will call click pick method, and in this image tag I will plot that cropped image. So this is the image. After getting the pick or capture the pick, I will call the crop the image method, and in this method I will pass the path of that captured image file or gallery file. So this is the method crop the image, and we use crop method, and in this I put the path as a parameter, and then it returns the cropped path what we cropped on the app, and actually it returns the path with a question mark. There is a question mark with the result, and we have to split that question mark, and the returning array will return two elements, and the first index will the result path. So we have to split the result with question mark, and the first array element is the new path of the cropped image. And after this, to showing on the app, we will convert this path in base64 and string. We use base64 encode file method, and we pass that path and returns the base64, and in the pick variable we assign that string, and this pick is used to show here. So this is the basic code. Hope it helped you, and if you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video. We'll back soon with some other video. Thank you.